Packing for a holiday. What should you pack for a holiday? You should pack a passport. You should pack your tickets. You should pack your sunscreen. You should pack your swimwear. You should pack your sunglasses. You should pack some insect repellent. You should pack a first aid kit. You should pack a charger. You should pack your toothbrush. What should baby pack? Baby should pack her teddy bears.